So I want us to start with the basics. And for me, the basics don't start with money. The basics start with how many square feet do you have? As a person charged with or been entrusted with the stewarding of your facility, you had better know how many square feet you have. It is just so important to understand your square footage. And I'm going to explain why in a minute. For me, when I talk to business administrators and executive pastors, one of the slides that I'll throw up here is you've got a serious problem if your facility manager cannot tell you how many square feet you have in your campus. That should be ingrained and maybe even tattooed on their forehead. Most of your national benchmarking, including our benchmarking reports and budget evaluations, are based on dollar per square foot. Knowing your square footage to determine your renewals and replacement costs are critical. Same applies with many of your cleaning functions. How many square feet can one person clean? The question wasn't how long does it take somebody to clean a room? It's how many square feet can one person do? And so those are calculations that most national organizations, not just church, but national organizations that specialize in facility management, cleaning, custodial work, and whatnot, they use square footages. So how do we equate that into our budgeting? So as a rule of thumb, we know that the best operated facilities, church facilities, need to budget between $525 and $750 per square foot. So utilities generally will run between $1 and $1.50 a square foot. If you're way above $1.50, you've got room for improvement. If you're way below $1 a square foot, that doesn't make you a superstar in energy efficiency. It may mean that you're underutilizing your facility. These calculations are based on a 6-day-a-week facility usage. We believe that the best run facilities run about $120, $1.25 a square foot. So even if you're at that $1.50 a square foot range, there's probably room for improvement. General maintenance, $250 to $350 a square foot. That includes your staff that's actually performing that work or outsourced contractors, air conditioning filters, and so on. And then janitorial, the same thing. Paper products, cleaning products, the staffing to do that, whether it's insourced or outsourced, which is a topic for another webinar. But all that together comes up with that $525 to $750.